Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Authorize.net to e-commerce stores for reliable payment processing. Easy to connect Authorize.net to your e-commerce store for reliable payment processing. Follow these steps. Begin by creating an Authorize.net account if you don't already have one. Visit the Authorize.net website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required details to set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to the Authorize.net merchant interface. From the dashboard, locate the account menu at the top of the page. Select API credentials and keys from the drop-down menu. Here, you will find your API login ID and transaction security key. Make sure to copy these credentials as you will need them later. Next, log in to your e-commerce platform, such as WooCommerce, Shopify, or Magento. Navigate to the Settings or Payment Options section of your store. Look for the option to add a new payment gateway. Choose Authorize.net from the list of available payment methods. In the configuration settings, paste your API login ID and transaction security key. Adjust any additional settings, such as payment currencies or transaction types, according to your preferences. Save your changes to ensure the settings are applied. Next, perform a test transaction to verify that the integration is successful. Check your Authorize.net account to confirm the transaction has gone through. If the test is successful, your Authorize.net account is now connected to your e-commerce store. Make any necessary adjustments to enhance the customer experience during checkout. Monitor transactions regularly to ensure reliable payment processing moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.